is your first show? Tama ba? Project?
Hindi po. Nasa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow din po ako.
Okay. So, ito yung second.
Opo, tama.
Okay.
Nasaan po kayo?
Yan. Okay. So, kumusta? Kumusta yung pag-enter mo ng showbiz bilang isa ka sa mga produkto ng showbiz din? Dahil both your parents mo ay parehong mga artista, di ba? So,
Tama po.
kumusta naman? And ano yung mga advices nila sa'yo?
Sige, una sa lahat, ano po pangalan niyo ulit?
I'm Rose Garcia.
Rose Garcia. Sige, tatandaan ko po yun.
Yes. Sabihin mo kay daddy mo, kaya lang niya.
Ay, sige po. Okay, so, sabi mo nga, parehas ng magulang ko, artista din. So, bata pa lang ako. I was surrounded around the environment. Tapos na in love talaga ako eh. Parang, yung pagkakataon na kaya mong magpaaliw ng mga tao. Kasi syempre, lahat naman tayo naghihirap sa buhay, di ba? Tapos, ano ba ginagawa natin kung kailangan natin mag-enjoy, nanonood? So, yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Syempre, madami silang advice. Yung tatay ko nga medyo, sobra sa advice. Alam mo naman siya. Pero yung mom ko, siya talaga yung bumuo sa akin bilang lalaki. Yung kailangan mo respeto, kailangan mo maging magalang, kailangan mong magsikap kasi wala namang libre sa buhay. Diba? Kaya, it was good. It was good to have them around and growing up in this environment. Siyempre, may mga kaibigan din silang artista, kaya I want to give props to them as well kasi all of them give me the advice that I need to succeed in this industry. Pati nga si Joseph like, he's been giving me advice from everyone here. I'm sure everyone can relate. He's such a good mentor to all of us kasi gusto niyang patunayan na kaya niyang mag-inspire ng young actors. So, I have a lot of people to be grateful for and I'm happy to be here.
Okay. Ang ilan ka sa magkakapatid? And how young are you?
Ako po yung pangatlo, panganay na anak ni Anjo. I'm Andres the 8th, Jaime. Apat kaming magkakapatid, and I'm 22 years old.
Okay. So, upon hearing you, sabi mo nga parang nag-enjoy ka, parang na-enjoy mo yung lighter side ng showbiz.
Tama.
Okay. So, as we all know, di ba, medyo controversial ang daddy mo before the year end. Paano mo yun hinahandle, yung ganon?
Okay, well, yung tatay ko kasi, at the end of the day, he's my dad. Siyempre may trabaho siya, at sa bahay, tatay ko talaga siya. So nakikita ko talaga yung pinagdadaanan niya. Alam ko naman, pasensya po sa lahat na may nagagawa siyang mali. At naiintindihan ko naman na ganun talaga. Pero, wala, tatay ko siya, mahal ko siya eh. Kaya, kailangan ko na lang, intindihan na ganun siya, bigyan siya ng advice, kasi syempre mga kaibigan niya din yung pinag-uusapan niya, kaya medyo nakontrolado na din niya. Kaya kahit anong mali gawin ng tatay ko, kailangan ko matutong pagbigyan siya eh. Kasi syempre siya yung lumaki sa akin.
Oh, yeah,
I wouldn't be here without him.
Yeah, that's good. So, anong advice ang binigay mo sa kanya? Na-curious ako doon. Bilang anak.
Well, honestly, parang magkapatid nga kami eh. Ganun yung relationship namin, parang kaming mag-best friend. Yung sasabi ko lang sa kanya na, alam mo, minsan kasi sa buhay, kailangan i-keep private. Diba? Like, syempre, artista tayo, we're in the spotlight, but some things need to keep in the private. Diba? Like, kailangan, di naman lahat kailangan sabihin sa media na, uy, ganito ako, ganyan ako. Let's just keep it chill. That's what I told him.
Okay. Sige. Thank you,
Thank you, Rose.
Good luck.
Thank you po, thank you.
Last lang po. For IC, kasi pareho kayong mga produkto ng showbiz, of course, ng showbiz clan. Di ko alam kung aware kayo na there was a time ang parehong daddy nyo ay naging magkarimal. Aware ba kayo? But anyway, I see, kumusta? This is your very first project. Katulad ng younger sis mo, pinasok mo na rin ang showbiz. What made you decide and ano ang mga nilulook forward mo and expectation at the same time?
Honestly, medyo long time coming na to. I've been very scared and medyo pressured then because both my parents, of course, showbiz. So, I'm just looking forward to learning kasi from scratch talaga ako. And I'm getting to know my character. I'm focusing on this role specifically first, getting to know my character, learning from all the workshops, and hopefully translating everything that I've learned into the character. And I hope everybody accepts Kaylee.
Okay, anong advice ni daddy mo sa'yo?
Be kind, be humble. Yun lang naman. And then if may tanong ako, he helps me like sa Tagalog ko, naging problem ko yun. So he would tell me, oh, like mag-acting ka in front of the mirror, yung speech mo, like ayusin mo. So, ayun.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, batch 2. We have Aster Amoyo, Kate Adahar, Dolly Ann Carvajal, and John Fontanilla. Ngayon po, pakinggan natin from TikTok People's Journal at PSN. We have Aster Amoyo.
Hello, Happy New Year to everyone. Una-muna, magiging biased ako, but I'd like to congratulate my anak-anakan. Dalawa ang anak-anakan ko dito, si Frost and of course si Ren. Si Frost muna, kasi not everybody knows na he is the son of Lara Morena. Pinsan, first cousin siya ni na Angela Morena, at saka Steph, at saka si Micaela Arasati kasi yun eh. At si si Frost. How does it feel being part of this new series ng Vivo One?
Hello, Bob. It's good to see you. It's been a while since I've seen you.
Likewise.
Yeah, it feels good. It feels great to do a Wattpad that's stepping in a different direction. Especially with this ensemble cast, ang dami namin. And everybody is giving their A game. Everybody's on their A game right now. And you can't help but feel parang nakakahawa eh. You know, like there's always that pressure na 200+ million reads. But when you think about the effort that everybody's putting in, you know, our confidence matches that level of pressure, if not bigger. So it's really exciting and it's a huge blessing. It always will be.
Thank you.
Thank you, Paul.
Kay Direk, bali tuhog-tuhog lang muna to, Pips. Direk, I know this is the very first time na na-direct mo sila lahat. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
So, anong discoveries? I mean, you know, especially directing them, iba-ibang henerasyon, at the same time, kakaibang tema.
Nakasama ko pa lang sila actually sa workshops, ganon, sa StoryCon. Siguro napansin ko, syempre ako millennial, most of them are Gen Zs. Millennial, di pa na si Joseph. Ayun. Ayun, very sila, passionate, excited, very playful sila. Tsaka talagang pinagpupursigihan nila. Yun yung napansin ko sa kanila. Tsaka kabado rin sila kasi etong ang mga Wattpad stories talagang maraming readers na mahal nila yung mga storya dito sa Wattpad.
In as much na gusto ko pang magtanong, I'd like to give this opportunity sa iba, but I'd like to congratulate everyone, lalong-lalo ng aking mga anak-anakan, Ren at of course Frost. Congratulations and of course Joseph. Thank you.
Thank you.
And congratulations and best wishes sa ating host.
Thank you.
Malapit na yan.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman, moving on to Kate Adahar from Random Republica.
Hi, good evening. My first question is for Joseph. Before I remember, parang kung i-describe ng co-star, grabe yung pag-seryoso mo sa pag-aral ng character mo, nag-notes ka pa. Ganun din ba yung atake mo dito?
Yeah, actually, syempre mas malalim yung pag-aaral ko dito since, you know, I'm portraying a very delicate character. It's the second time that I've been reading the book. Marami na akong movies na napanood. I gained 15 pounds of muscle for the role. And yeah, it's the pressure is real. The pressure is real, especially alam naman natin na it's been almost 12 years now since first na-publish yung book 1 na My Husband is a Mafia Boss. And yeah, just you just want to give your all para dun sa mga readers natin.
Thank you. And for Ren, hindi naman to yung first time na naging bida ka, no? Pero makikita na kahit paano, parang medyo may kaba ka this time, parang meron pa rin kaba. Gaano ba ka-special to o kaiba dun sa ibang pinagbiga?
First time ko po mag-lead for Wattpad adaptation and sa Vivo One po actually. Pero masasabi ko, kahit po medyo may mga nagawa na rin po ako before na nakapagbida po tayo and kasama po tayo sa main characters. Masasabi ko po talaga na ito yung pinaka-special para sa akin. Parang ang tagal-tagal po akong ni-ready para dito. Ganun po yung pakiramdam na parang dati tinatanong ko, ano kaya yung para sa akin? Kailan kaya darating yung para sa akin? Parang lahat ng tao, parang yun yung sinasabi, bakit hindi nabibigyan, ganyan. So parang, I think ito po yun. Ito yung kaya siya special. Kasi parang hindi lang ako yung may gusto. Parang ang dami-daming gustong mag-support na maabot ko yun, na malagay ako doon. So I think answered prayer po talaga. Answered prayer po talaga ang My Husband is a Mafia Boss para sa akin.
Congratulations!
Okay, maraming salamat.